Well, anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Saturday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are doing good. Without wasting your time, let's get to start off today, guys. The fences are Uliyema, they are not playing around, guys. They are voting. So, guys, Uliyema's fans has handed over a massive vote of 10 million, guys. As for Q is 2 million, for Didi is 1 million. So I saw this guy on TikTok, guys. He's campaigning for Thandeka. People in the comment section, the Italians, they say he must not reverse the votes at Thandeka, guys. Let me tell you, Uliyema, she's doing so well, guys. 10 million just in 1 week. I guess Sana, it's a lot for Uliyema, guys. You know, it's second chance. Bazoza, she's the queen of Bazoza. Even though people are saying, oh, Thandeka, she's doing well than Uliyema, but for the past few weeks, Uliyema, she's been doing so well than Thandeka. We are not sure at the end of the day, guys, but congratulations to Uliyema, guys. The fans like Uliyema, they are not sleeping, guys. They are busy. Some of them, they say even next week they are going around to campaign for Uliyema. Some people are saying they are going door to door to just, asking for votes. Some people are saying they are asking their colleagues. Guys, the people are busy making sure Uliyema, she gets the 2 million. Anyway, guys, it is Saturday. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.